Welcome to the Safety LMS Company Management Portal, free for all Safety LMS customers. This system will help you track current certifications, get alerts on expiring certifications, and instantly disable certifications for employees that are no longer with the company. In order to get registered for your free account, visit safetylms.com and in the top right, click Company Management Portal. Once you are on that screen, click Register in the top right. Enter your login info and click Register. Then, confirm your email address by clicking the link that will be in your inbox. You should then email info@safetylms.com with your name, email address, and company name, and they will sync that information to your company's account. Once you receive confirmation that your account has been set up, come back to the Management tool and click Login. Then, from the Management tool, select Manage in the toolbar, then click Details next to the company name you would like to access. Here we can see all of your company's information and employees that have a Safety LMS certification. Show All Certs will show every certification that has ever been under your company, whether they are current, expired, or disabled. Show All Active Certs limits the list of employees shown to only those with current certifications, or those that have been expired in the last 90 days. Show Expiring Certs will only show those certifications that are within 90 days of expiring or will require retraining. You will also receive reminder emails for those employees at 90, 60, and 30 days prior to their certs expiring, plus when they're expired and 30 days after they have expired. If we expand Mike Dominique's profile, we can see that his Authorized Climber Rescuer certification has been expired since 2017, and his rigging certification is coming up for renewal in February 2021. Although the day lists February 15th, Safety LMS allows to the end of the month to complete this training. Unfortunately, the industry struggles with employee turnover, and OSHA requires that the competency of an employee is deemed by the employer. Therefore, all rights are given to the company that put the employee through training. So when that employee leaves, it is very simple for you to disable their certifications. Safety LMS's instant verification system allows anyone to instantly check the validity of any of their certifications, both online and in person, creating less work for you and the tower owners when working through the auditing process. Let's use this employee, Joe Johnson, whose certification is still valid, as an example of this process. We can go to the safetylms.com website and click Verify a Cert in the top right of the screen, or simply type in safetylms.com/verify. Then type in the certification number on the card, prove you aren't a robot, and click Submit. Here we can see all of the information that would be on Joe Johnson's certification. If ever there is information here that doesn't match the card you are searching for, or the photo doesn't match the person, contact Safety LMS immediately. As we scroll down, we can see all of the certifications that Joe holds and their expiration dates. Now, let's say Joe just left the company, so we want to disable their certification so it can't be used at another company. Just click on the profile to expand the name and press Disable. They will instantly be removed from the active cert list. If we go back to the certification lookup and search for this certification number again, this is the message that we get. As you can see, there are many benefits that your company will have access to as soon as you receive your first Safety LMS certification. They've also recently synchronized the system with their online platform, so not only will you have access to all of your in-person and Train the Trainer certs, but if you take one of their 25+ online training courses, those certifications will be added to the company account immediately after they pass the exam.